think someone's feeding the sheep. They're all running. Well, you just got that video actually. They're all running for food. Should have seen them then, they're all racing up. And I've seen sheep move so fast. The farmer must be feeding them. It's got to be, hasn't it? Yeah. So I've got a date tomorrow in Birmingham. Well, I don't know yet, 'cause last time me and him arranged to meet up, he didn't show up. So he says, why do I keep going quiet all the time for? I says, well, it's because... Well, no, I haven't actually told him, but I almost messaged him saying the reason. I says it's because I'm wary of relationships. Or just wary of men, would be a more accurate description. So yeah. And then I've got another date on Saturday. I'm doing quite well for dates this week. And I've got a date on Saturday. I've got to be in, I've got to be in Derby by 10 in the morning. So the Weatherspoons in Derby by 10 in the morning. I'm meeting a guy. I'm not saying who, because David might be watching this video. But as for David, I went round to his the other week. Last Friday was it? Friday just gone. It's Tuesday today. And he says go again. So I give up. I've been there at least 5 times now, and every time I've gone there, he's told me to clear up, basically. I mean, I've dropped the police case. What more? Does he want my blood or something? Probably does, no, he don't. Anyway, this guy I'm meeting on Saturday is very similar to David. Oh God! In the sense, I met him off the same site, Recon, and he's actually taller than David. David's 6'3", this guy's 6'4". It reminds me of the. Have you watched the Highlander films with the Kurgan on it? He looks a bit like him. He wears all the black leather. I think the Kurgan wore that on the Highlander. A 7-foot Russian on the Highlander. Yeah. I'm not commenting on that war between Russia and Ukraine. There's no point. My thoughts are that Russia is very barbaric compared to the rest of the world. Well, there's other parts of the world that are barbaric. For instance, the Taliban, Afghanistan, Russia. Oh, I said Russia. I think China can be a bit like that as well. But I think Russia's on par with the Taliban at the moment, how violent they are. But anyway, so yeah. You know, that guy says to me, the one I'm meeting up on Saturday, he says, I haven't even met him yet, and he's telling me what to wear. He's telling me to. He says wash your cunt out in case I want to fuck you. He means a douch, I think. Douch. Is it douch? Douch. Yeah. I thought, gosh, definitely sounds like David. Can't be him though, because it's no, it's not him. So yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've dropped the case because I didn't want the hassle of it all going to court. You know, it's my word against his kind of thing. So that's why I dropped the police case with David, because yeah, there's not much point in. Well, I don't. My nerves were really bad a couple of months ago, so I didn't really want to go through with all that. Hungry. I haven't had lunch today. I just had toast this morning. Well, when I woke up I just had toast. So yeah. Yeah, so let's see what happens with This guy, he's older than me, he's 54, that's 13 years older than me. Huh. It's the exact age difference between me when I was with my ex Aaron. It's weird, isn't it? It's the exact age difference, 13 years. So, see what happens between me and this guy, but I hope he's not going to be really old-fashioned kind of thing. I mean, I'm quite modern. I've got the iPhone 13. I could do replacing my iPad. I've had that for about 4 or 5 years now. I could do replacing my iPod. Both of them have run out of memory. My iPod is 128 gigs, and that's run out of memory. And my iPad is also 128 gigs, and that's run out of memory. On this iPhone, there's 182.6 gigs that have been used. But I've got 256 gigs on this iPhone, so I don't have to worry about it. But as I say, my iPod and my iPad are both full of stuff. So yeah, I'm looking forward to Saturday, but I'm apprehensive at the same time because he wants me to wear really tight jeans. He wants me to wear my camouflage jock straps. He wants me to wear that. Yeah, he's very to the point. Very to the point. A bit like David, very to the point. So, yeah. Okay. See what happens. Might get some McDonald's because I ain't got much food in. So. Lee's annoyed me a bit because I was supposed to. I messaged Lee about meeting up with him and going to Spice Fusion, and he's like, oh, he's with his support worker Jolene at the Crown and Witch Bowl. He moans about Jolene. He moans about his support workers like non-stop, and then he takes them out for meals and stuff. It don't make sense, does it? So yeah. Okay. Peace, love and blessings everyone. Peace, love and blessings. Peace, love and blessings.